Are 5G routers worth it? The worthiness of a 5G router depends on your specific needs, location, and how you intend to use it. Here are some factors to consider. Speed and low latency. 5G networks offer significantly faster speeds and lower latency compared to previous generations like 4G. If you require high-speed internet for activities such as gaming, 4K video streaming, or other bandwidth-intensive tasks, a 5G router may be worth it. Availability of 5G coverage. 5G networks are still rolling out globally, and their availability can vary widely depending on your location. Before investing in a 5G router, check if 5G coverage is available in your area and if your mobile carrier supports 5G. Use case. If you have a large number of devices that need a fast and reliable internet connection, a 5G router might be beneficial. This is especially true for households with multiple users streaming high-definition content, engaging in online gaming, or using other data-intensive applications simultaneously. Home internet replacement. In some cases, 5G can be a viable alternative to traditional home broadband, particularly in areas where wired infrastructure is limited. If you have good 5G coverage and the data plans are competitive, a 5G router could serve as your primary home internet connection. Future-proofing. If you're looking to future-proof your home network, investing in a 5G router might be a good idea, especially as 5G networks continue to expand and improve.